John's home is located on Montreal Street. To get his school, he has to pass 150 meters along this street first. Then he has to turn right and pass more 450 meters along Edmonton Street to finally get his school, which is located at the end of this street. The direct distance between his home and the school is just 470 meters. Can John pass this straight distance? But this straight distance is not passable, so he has to pass the shortest available path through Montreal and Edmonton streets. The straight line which connects his home to his school is called as displacement. The path distance is always greater than the displacement between the origin and destination, unless the distance is a straight line. In this case, the displacement and distance are identical.